Okay. Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons.
There's blue, green, and red.
Mm-hmm. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song.
I love a 4 button. I
No.
love a 4.
My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
3.
3! How do I spell 3?
3.
Yeah, how do I spell it?
THREE. Spell 3.
Good job. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come and...
Buttons go.
That's right. He kept on singing his song.
Hey, where's the blue button go?
It popped off, remember? My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My 3 groovy buttons. Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
2.
How do I spell 2?
WXYZ.
What? No. Start from the beginning.
A.
Audrey, what is that?
T.
No.
T. W. O. Spell 2.
That's right. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry?
Goodness.
Buttons come.
And buttons go.
He kept on singing his song. My buttons.
My button.
My 2 groovy buttons. My buttons. My 2 groovy buttons.
Pop.
Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
1.
How to spell 1?
O.
Audrey, how do I spell it?
O-N-E. Spell 1.
2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come.
And buttons go.
He kept on singing his song. My button.
My button.
My 1 groovy button.
There's another button there.
This is red one. My button. My 1 groovy button.
Pop!
Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many are left?
No more.
What-
0.
0. How do I spell 0?
Z. Z. A.
No, that's not an A. What is that?
L.
Audrey, can you spell that for me?
G. E. R. O. Spell 0.
1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come.
Buttons go.
Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw?
A button, belly button.
A belly button. And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry?
Goodness, no.
Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come